RBI closely monitoring. The major milestones are something which all of you all probably already know, that since 2017 the Reserve Bank closely started monitoring and scrutinizing the Yes Bank, and noticed that the governance issues were of serious concern, that there was definitely weak compliance, and the culture itself was of weak compliance. And then there were also wrong asset classifications together with risky credit decisions. Since RBI started getting clear indication on all these grounds, they clearly took some concrete steps, which we have also been kept informed about.